Are you looking for business opportunities in the United States of America? Building a business in the USA is easier compared to most countries in the world. Let's have a look at our recommended list of best small business opportunities in the United States if you are looking forward to start a business from scratch. 1. Mobile food truck. The mobile food truck business opportunity in nature is different from a normal restaurant in two major ways. One is you are moving and you don't have a retail location. The second is you are going to the customers. A person having minimum experience in the food service industry can initiate this venture in the city area. 2. Freelancing. Freelancing has a great business opportunity for people who are looking to work on a part-time basis. If you have expertise and skill about a specific subject with so many opportunities available in the United States of America to work on, you can start freelancing from today with whatever you are good at. 3. Handyman service. The handyman service industry is generally provided services to the house owner and commercial clients. This business is emerging and highly profitable. Some of the popular handyman service business ideas are air conditioning service, aluminum door, window making and repairing, antique furniture refurbishing, appliance repair service, blind cleaning, basement remodeling, cabinet making, etc. 4. Home appliances renting. Home appliances renting is a new trending business that can be started at any metro city where people generally relocate for their professional requirements. It's an innovative and lucrative business model for startup entrepreneurs in the United States of America where you can simply rent out different home appliances including furniture and electronic equipment for monthly rent. 5. Image consulting. The image consulting business is about providing advice to your clients about beauty makeovers, clothing fitness, color basics, and instructions. You will help your clients on how they can enhance self-confidence that helps them to look and act their best professionally. Image consulting is a self-rewarding and exciting career to start with. 6. Jewelry making. Increasing awareness of fashion and style has made jewelry making an immensely potential business opportunity for entrepreneurs in the USA. A person having a creative mind, knowledge about current fashion trends, and a passion for jewelry can start a jewelry making business. 7. Landscaping. A landscape expert is someone who has enough knowledge about landscape architecture. The practice of landscape architecture includes site analysis, site inventory, land planning, planting design, grading, stormwater management, sustainable design, construction specification, and ensuring that all plans meet the current building codes and local and federal ordinances. 8. Marketing copywriting. If you can plan and build creative online campaigns and content for your clients, you can have a successful marketing copywriting business in the United States of America. You will have to create social media campaigns, apps, mobile contests, video, email distribution, search engine optimization, online media ad buys, or a mix of all of the above. 9. Mobile salon. Mobile salon businesses provide services to the people who just cannot make time in their busy schedules to allow themselves the luxury of salon service, especially when they work full-time or old age. A person having interest and training in beauty and cosmetology could provide this service where he or she brings the salon service to a person's home or any desired location like an office, hotel, and hospital. 10. Online selling. If you are an expert with any specific product, you can start online selling the business from your home. You can source that finished product from the manufacturer and can sell these products from your own website or from other online marketplaces. These are the selected business opportunities you can consider starting in the United States of America. Find the one which fits you most and start your business right now.